Good morning. So today we will read very important topic, which is break-even analysis. So break-even analysis point, a break-even point is the point which is the sales volume at which the revenue equal cost, no profit, no loss point. So this can be calculated by the two methods, which is the algebraic method and graphical presentation method. Algebraic method have contribution margin approach and equation technique, and the graphical presentation have break-even chart and the profit volume graph. So first of all, we will read the graphical algebraic method. In this method, we contribute margin approach we will read. So contribute margin is the excess of unit sales price over a unit variable cost. So we will understand this with the example. How many ice cream having a unit cost of 2 rupees and the selling price equal to 3 rupees, and the vendor sells a fare to recover a 800 rupees fee paid by him to getting a selling stall, an additional cost of 400 rupees to install the stall. The answer can be determined by dividing the fixed cost by the difference between the selling price and the cost price. We know here in this example, the ice cream have cost 2 rupees, selling price 3 rupees, and there is a fee of when the selling fee is 800 rupees and additional cost is 400 rupees. So we want to calculate first of all that EPS, the number of units, so which is calculated by the fixed cost entry fee plus installation expense, that is total fees and total cost, and upon sales price minus unit variable cost. So we have 800 plus 400 total cost upon 3 minus 2. 3 is the selling price, 2 is the cost. So we get 1. So divided 1200 upon 1 equal to 1200 units. So these are the EPS units equal to 1200. Now we want to know the EPS amount. So EPS amount can be calculated by the EPS amount is equal to EPS units into selling price. So EPS units are 1200 into 3, that is the selling price, so which is equal to 3600. It is the EPS amount. So EPS amount equal to fixed cost upon profit volume ratio. So it is the second method of calculating the EPS amount. So EPS amount can be calculated by this method also. So where is the PV ratio? What is this? The PVS ratio is the contribution margin per unit upon selling price per unit. So here is the contribution margin, that is the profit per unit is 1 and selling price of per unit is 3. 1 upon 3 equal to 33.33%. So we want to calculate the BEP amount by this method. So we know that 1200 are the BEP units, that is break-even point units. So 1200 upon 0.333, which is equal to 3600. It is equal to the previous figure. So these both are equal. Now we want to calculate this break-even point chart and by the graphical presentation method. So here is a graph. You can see on this x-axis there is a sales volume, and on this y-axis there is a revenue. So there is this line is the total cost line, and this line drawn, which is the sales line, that is revenue line. So here in this area, which is called the loss area, here we can see that total cost is greater than the total revenue. So up to this unit, the firm will get loss. So, and at this point, and this reason where the firm will get the profit, where the sales volume, that is the total revenue of the firm, which is greater than the total cost. So the difference between the revenue and cost, that means the company is getting margin or profit, So this area company will get the profit. So between this loss and profit there is a point which is called the break-even point. Here company will not get any profit or loss, that is no profit no loss situation.